This one is a direct answer to the OpenScreen installer question. The viewer asked in Turkish whether the file that says OpenScreen.Setup.latest.exe is the correct one to download. If you are on Windows, yes, the Windows installer is the exe file from the official GitHub releases page. The important part is not the exact word latest. The important part is that it comes from the official release and matches your operating system. The latest GitHub release I checked shows OpenScreen version 1.5.0. The release assets include a Windows exe, Mac DMG files for ARM64 and x64, and Linux packages like AppImage, Deb, and Pacman. File names can change with each release, so do not memorize one file name forever. The releases page is the source of truth. Here is the simple map. If you use Windows, download the .exe installer. If you use a newer Apple Silicon Mac, download the Mac ARM64 DMG. If you use an Intel Mac, download the Mac x64 DMG. If you use Linux, choose the package that matches your distro or preference, AppImage, Deb, or Pacman. If you are not sure what CPU your Mac has, open About This Mac and check the chip name. After install, the next common failure is permissions. Screen recorders often need screen recording permission. Tools with cursor zoom or interaction helpers may need accessibility permission. On macOS, you may need to quit and reopen the app after granting permissions. On Windows, if Smart Screen appears, verify the file came from the official GitHub release before continuing. Do not click through warnings for random mirror downloads. Avoid the obvious mistakes. Do not download from a sketchy third-party mirror just because it appears first in search. Do not install the Linux package on Windows. Do not assume every release keeps the same file names. Do not call the app broken if the first recording is black before checking screen recording permissions. Open-source desktop apps often work fine, but permissions are still part of the install. So the clean answer is, Windows users should download the exe installer from the official GitHub releases page. Mac users should pick the correct DMG for Apple Silicon or Intel. Linux users should pick the package type for their distro. If the file name changes later, use the latest official release page, not a random download site.